Do you ever start making a note in the Notes app, only for it to get bigger and more complex, and you think, oh, I wish I'd just written this in Pages, then I could print it out and edit it like a normal document? Well, you can now move a note from the Notes app straight into Pages, and all you have to do is press the Share button in the top right-hand corner, and then press Open in Pages. It'll take Notes a moment or two to prepare your new file, and then Pages will open and all of your content will be there. Whether it's links or handwritten text or bullet points, everything is there just like you had it before. But now, of course, because you're in Pages, you can edit it like it's a real document. You can add pages, you can make them landscape, you can do margins, you can do all of those things. You can even use presenter mode if you wanted to, which means that you can take that note and you can expand on it and grow it and develop it into a proper document as easily as that. That was a surprisingly quick tip. So now I've got a bit of time to fill. I guess you could subscribe down below if you wanted to. There are tons more iPad tips there to help you make the most of your device, and I'll be grateful to have you subscribe and help me on my journey as I create more videos for more people. I'll see you next time.